Hey Gavin, thanks for joining me today. How's it going?
No problem, Devin. It's going great. Good to see you.
Great, yeah, you too. Hey, I just wanted to reach out, kind of give other people who are looking at me a chance to see who I am and maybe have a couple reviews up on my page so they can at least gain some kind of comfort level with me.
Cool.
So I had three questions I wanted to ask you, and that's about it. Should be pretty quick.
Sounds good. Fire away.
All right, first one was, what's the biggest challenge you were having before we met?
The biggest challenge I was having before we met is I didn't have anybody that I could trust, and I really didn't have an accountant that had the kind of knowledge that you have that's helping me out. And really, what that knowledge stems around is multiple businesses merging with personal. You've been able to bridge the gaps on those two that not only are beneficial for my family, that's helpful, but also educate me along the way. So I did not have that before.
Great. Okay. And what was your biggest fear before we met?
My biggest fear was cost. I thought that to get somebody as knowledgeable as you, that is as reachable as you are, that I either couldn't afford it or my business or finances weren't big enough to have that kind of attention.
Gotcha. Okay. And what is it like now that we've been working together?
Well, it's great. So I understand bookkeeping a lot better. Having that every single month is has been helpful. Not only to keep my business in order, but the things I'm learning from that has been really well. I like how I don't have to worry about my taxes getting done. You start on that process before I even know you're going, so you kind of speed me along and keep me honest, which is really good. But what I really I think probably on top of all those things, those two things, those are great. But it's nice to have an accountant that I can reach out to when I have questions and get a hold of you and get things scheduled. At times people that offer not only in accounting, because I haven't experienced anything like this, but I have had other services that are really accommodating. You end up spending a whole lot more, or those services, there's layers, so you would have an assistant or a secretary that I'd be doing a lot of my correspondence with. And I really hope that you're able to manage things so we can continue working with you directly.
Great. Yeah, that's great to hear. Thank you so much for taking the time today.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Thanks.